If you've clicked on this video, it's because you're drawn into the wild world of crypto and NFTs. And I don't blame you. It's Thursday, 9th of September. It's now time for the news. I'm your host, Jessica, and make sure to stick around to the end of the video. If you're on board the NFT hype or a football fan, you're going to want to hear what's in store. Well, in today's news, Robinhood opens a recurring purchase feature for as little as $1 a day in an effort to welcome a new tier of retail investors. Coinbase shares fall as markets factor in a long-standing clash of the titans between the SEC and the crypto exchange. And Real Madrid, Barcelona FC, and Atletico de Madrid could be NFTing their star players. Well, that last one I'm sure caught your attention, so let's get into it. We have all heard the phrase, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, but how about $1 of crypto a day? Will it keep the banker away? Robinhood's newest feature allows crypto investors to purchase their favorite coins automatically on a daily, weekly, fortnightly, or even monthly basis, with a minimum feature spend of just $1. This week has given a great example of why cost dollar average investing could make more sense. With the dip in the markets this week, depending on what day you bought your crypto, your $1 worth of Bitcoin could have got you a little more or a little less, depending on how you look at it. Well, Robinhood has acknowledged that while there are similar offerings out there, its rival services are, quote, counterproductive to building long-term wealth because of the commission fees that they charge. They also stated that crypto recurring investments are rolling out gradually to all of their customers this month. Now, the Coinbase SEC saga continues. On yesterday's recap, we covered the SEC plans of possible legal actions against Coinbase over plans of launching a lending program. Coinbase's CEO Brian Armstrong said that despite the company cooperating with officials, it's unclear why this threat is being made. Wall Street didn't react well to the prospect of a standoff in the courts, and Coinbase's stock ended the day down 3.23%. So where is the situation heading? Well, billionaire investor Mark Cuban has flagged the warning that this strict stance from the SEC could lead to crypto companies moving offshore, and called for the industry to receive the types of exemptions that the internet did in the 1990s. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse had a slightly tongue-in-cheek approach when Brian Armstrong tweeted out the situation that Coinbase finds itself in, sharing a GIF that included the caption, "Welcome to the party, pal." Ouch. And next up for today, 2021 could be the year that sees top football leagues enter the NFT world. Spain's top football leagues have signed a deal to create non-fungible tokens for all of its players. The club has partnered with fantasy football leagues to allow fans, collectors, and fantasy football players to freely trade and play digitized cards of the league's best-known stars, building the game within the game as a result. The company's CEO and founder has said in a quote, "NFTs are the future for global sports fandom because they allow fans to come together and feel the ownership of the sports they love. La Liga is one of the best leagues in the world, home to some of the most exciting clubs and footballers on earth." The company has huge plans to enter into partnerships with all 20 of the world's top football leagues by the end of this year. Now, this isn't the first time we've seen cryptocurrencies making their presence felt in the world of sports. A number of football teams have launched fan engagement tokens with Chili's this year, and with that, fans can take part in decisions related to the football club of their choice. Well, FIFA estimated this year there are 3.5 billion people who consider themselves football fans. So this certainly sounds like one way to bring NFTs and crypto to the masses. As Connor has mentioned in the article, these tokens and projects may come with risk, so as always, do your own research. Well, that's all for our news for today. Do make sure to check back in tomorrow for some fresh topics by subscribing to the channel. And if you do have any more questions about the wild world of crypto, you can always ask Alex in the description box below. I've been your host, Jessica. See you all again next time.